I'm Amy. Thanks for filling out the Facebook form. I help real estate agents like you get more qualified buyer and seller appointments using AI. Think of it as having a 24/7 assistant that handles follow-ups and appointment scheduling, just like a human, but all the time. Do you have a quick minute to chat? I'd love to share how this kind of AI could work for your business.
No, I don't. I'll call you tomorrow.
No worries, Ed. Give us a call tomorrow when it suits you. If it's easier, I can also give you a quick ring tomorrow to save you the trouble. What time window works best in Sydney time?
11 o'clock.
Perfect. I'll give you a ring tomorrow at 11 a.m. Sydney time. Talk then, Ed.
Thanks. Bye.
So as you can see, guys, the agent in this scenario is busy and not ready to talk just yet. And he asked the AI to call him back tomorrow. The AI then specified what time is best to call him tomorrow, and he said 11 a.m. So the next day, the AI actually remember to call him back at 11 when he said he's going to be available.
Hi, Ed. It's Amy. Thanks for filling out the Facebook form. Have you got a quick minute to chat?
Yes.
Perfect. Just so you know, this call is basically an example of the kind of AI we set up for agents. Instant follow-up and booking 24/7. Have you used AI in your business before?
No.
That helps. Do you mainly work with buyers, sellers, or both?
Both.
Perfect. What's the most time-consuming, repetitive part of handling seller leads for you right now?
Finding opportunities.
Yep, that's usually the grind. When an inquiry comes in, Facebook, website, portal, referrals, what happens today? Do you call them straight away, text them, or does it sometimes sit for a bit?
Text them.
Text first. Nice. Is it mainly you doing that follow-up or someone else on your team?
Me only.
Yep, makes sense. If you could automate one part of that texting and follow-up, what would you pick? Chasing unresponsive sellers, qualifying them, time frame / property, details, or booking them straight into a call?
Qualifying sellers.
Perfect. That's exactly where our AI helps. It texts back instantly, asks the right questions, address, time frame, reason for selling, price expectations, then hands you a clean summary and pushes to book a time with you. We've seen agencies hit 60 appointments in 90 days when the follow-up is consistent. What city are you based in, Ed?
I'm in Sydney.
For a quick 15-minute discovery call, the best times I can see are tomorrow, Tuesday, at 10 a.m. or 10:30 a.m. Sydney time. Which one suits you?
Neither.
No worries. If so, would Friday at 10 a.m. suit you? Sydney time?
Friday, 12 o'clock.
Perfect. So that's Friday the 27th at 12 p.m. Sydney time. You're all booked in. On that call, we'll map out how the AI can qualify your seller inquiries by text and key up appointments. So you're only jumping in when they're genuinely ready. Before I let you go, is this best email for the invite?
Yes.
As you probably have guessed, he picked up and have a full-on conversation with our AI and secure that appointment. And this is not just any appointment, guys. This is an appointment which the AI thoroughly asks him qualified question if he are the right fit for the business and take the time out to explain the offer and the unique selling point, USP, for the agency.